Hi and welcome to the video learning series of Fusion 360. In this video, you will learn how to extrude the sketch. So to extrude the sketch, first you need to know from where you can access the extrude tool. So to access the extrude tool, you can go to the extrude tool for the create panel or expand the create panel and select the extrude tool from here, or you can type the shortcut key E from the keyboard. Or you can right click on the graphics screen and select the extrude tool. So currently we are using extrude tool by expanding the create panel and select the extrude tool. So the extrude dialog box is displayed when you select the extrude tool, and here in the extrude dialog box you will notice that in type there is extrude and one is thin extrude. Extrude extrudes the entire area within selected closed profiles, whereas thin extrude extrudes a thin wall along selected open or closed profiles. So we will see thin extrude in the later video. Now in profiles you notice that one is selected here. If you close or cross this, then no profile is selected here. To select the profile, click here and you will notice that one is selected. In the start drop down, you will notice that there are three options: profile plane, offset and object. In profile plane, it will start the extrusion from the profile plane, whereas in offset, it will start the extrusion or specified offset distance from the profile plane. And in object, it will start the extrusion from a face or a plane that you select. We will see other options like offset and object in the later videos. Currently we are going to see profile plane option. Next, in the direction drop down, you will see there are three options again: one side, two sides and symmetry. One side creates an extrusion on one side of the profile plane, and two sides creates a unique extrusion on each side of the profile plane. And in symmetric, it will create identical extrusion on each side of the profile plane. We are going to see all these three options in this video. And here in the extend type, there are three options like distance, to object and all, which we will see later. Currently we will see distance option here. As you select the distance option, there is two edit boxes: distance and taper angle is displayed here. So this is the height of the extrusion in the distance edit box, and this is the taper value in the taper angle edit box. Here you will also notice that there is an arrow which specifies the distance or height of extrusion, and this circle is used to specify the taper angle of the extrusion body. So now we are going to extrude the sketch by moving or drag this arrow. As you drag this arrow, the distance edit box gets updated here. You can type the value, say 15, and if you want to give taper angle value, then you can rotate this circle in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction like this. The positive and negative taper value depending upon these clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation, or you can specify the value here in this edit box. So currently we have seen how to use the extrude tool, and if I choose the OK button here, the solid extruded body gets created. If you want to edit this solid extruded body, you need to go to the timeline and right click here and select edit feature option here. The edit feature dialog box is displayed here. Now we are going to see two sides option from the direction drop down, and you will see side 1 and side 2 rollouts are available here, and distance and taper values you can specify. Here you will also notice that one arrow is here and another one arrow is available now. You can drag it so that you can extrude in another direction, and you can also give taper to this by revolving this circle like this. And next, and the last option which we are going to see is symmetric. In symmetric, as we know, it creates identical extrusion on each side of the profile plane. So whenever you extrude this side from this arrow, the same extrusion will take place in the downward direction from this profile plane. And in the measurement area, you will see half length and whole length. So half length, extrude the specified distance to each side, this one, and whole length, extrude, suppose if you select whole length, then it will extrude half the specified distance to each side, half. So now we are going to choose the OK button, and till now we have seen how to use the extrude tool to extrude a closed profile by using a profile plane option and one side, two side symmetric options. In the later video, we are going to see thin extrude, offset, object options, and many more things. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.